Hey everyone, this is Graham from Spectra Racing. I'm here with my wife Lisa, and there's Churchill here. So I don't know if you've seen the last video where we went over... Oh, no, Churchill! Oh, he's got to be up in her lap. There's dog fur everywhere. In the last video we went over my custom wood-crafted racing simulator here. But this time we're going to actually teach my wife how to drive manual in it. So this is the Logitech G920 with the shifter, 6-speed, and the pedals. She has high heels on, but this thing isn't very adjustable, so...
I'm only 5 feet tall, so I need all the length I can get.
Giggity. You helping, Churchill? So today we're going to load up Project Cars 2 at Daytona International Speedway, which you've seen we've done on here on the channel in real life in a 2015 Mustang. So let's get her loaded on the VR headset and get going. Okay, so come to a complete stop. Okay, so this is it's got the shifter kit.
Yeah.
It's got a cat on the head.
He's sitting on top of my head.
Just pretend this is real life distractions. Okay, so we're gonna practice. Get going. We're gonna practice starting off.
All right, I'm paying attention. Okay.
And okay, so what you're gonna want to do, put on the brake. So put your hand on the shifter, feel it.
Okay.
You're in neutral. So wiggle it. That's neutral.
So this is first.
First, yeah.
Second.
Yep.
God.
Yeah, go into third.
Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
And then put it back into neutral, and then push down and go to the right to get to reverse.
Oh, I think
Don't worry about the car pedals right now.
okay.
So I'm probably doing a terrible job teaching manual. So go into neutral. That's neutral. Push down on the shifter, and then go to the right.
Oh, what? Why don't you just go straight back if it's reverse? Why would you
There.
go
Okay.
right?
So that should be reverse.
That doesn't make any sense.
That's how a lot of cars are nowadays. They had shifter lockouts because people would throw the car in reverse and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so this is Lieutenant Commander Worf. This is my very pathetic cat. He's evil. He's very evil. Okay, go away. Okay, so now we're gonna practice getting going.
Okay.
So put on the brake. So put your the pedal on the very left is the clutch.
This one?
Yeah. So it's brake.
Oh, am I in reverse still?
No. Okay, so put your foot down on the clutch. Put your
But I'm going backwards.
foot on the brake. Put on the brake and foot on the clutch.
What? Like this?
Okay.
I'm used to only putting my left foot on the brake.
Okay, so what you're gonna do?
So hold on, I have a question.
Yeah.
So when I'm just driving, where's my left foot? Is that always on the brake, or is it going to be kind of hovering over the clutch? Or both?
Hovering over the clutch. In a real car, your foot would be like on the dead pedal, just like in an automatic.
Okay.
Well, I guess there's no dead pedal in the manual, but where is he?
Okay.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the car into first gear. So put it in first. So release the brake, and then when you release the brake, sorry, you don't have to do it yet. When you release the brake, what you'll do is you'll slowly release the clutch, and then in this game I think we found that the clutch is more on and off than it is in real life. Then it's more progressive in real life. So you kind of release the clutch, but slowly get on the gas. So what you'll do is you'll release your foot on the brake, and then release the clutch and slowly get on the gas. And okay, there you go. So you're going. So then you clutch in, second gear, release the clutch, get back on the power.
Oh, shit. was really loose.
Okay, so clutch in and put it back in neutral. Let's practice get going again.
Alright.
So also listen to the car. You know, you're redlining. It looks like you're revving. You're redlining the crap out of it. So you don't want to give it too much gas. You see in the virtual space, you can see the tachometer, which is on the left. Here, press the gas and you'll see the tachometer move.
Okay.
You see when it gets like a quarter of the way is really all you really need to get going. Like, you don't want to rev it to like 7,000.
I'm not pressing it from the clutch anymore. Like.
Remember, easy movements. Just a lot of people will like to slam. You don't need to be really hard on shifter mechanisms or pedals or anything.
Okay, but I'm not though. It's like not cool.
So you're not in gear.
Oh, that's the problem. Where am I at?
You're in neutral.
Oh.
We always waggle the shifter to test. That's something, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Waggle the shifter. Okay, and you don't need, once you're in gear, take your hand off the shifter. Shifter's always a hot commodity. So you don't want to be holding onto the shifter. Alright, so then change gears, clutch in, foot off the pedal, second gear, back on gas.
Where are we going?
So just follow the road for now. Obviously lap time is not going to be important.
Yeah, it's going to be like 30 minutes.
Okay, so clutch in, third gear, clutch out, back on the gas. There you go. So you just kind of practice going around.
This makes me kind of dizzy. It's kind of blurry.
They already knocked out, the doggies knocked out the power of the steering wheel. I don't know how it's still working. I think the force feedback is what power needed. So the steering wheel has it's force feedback. I think it's belt driven. One of these is belt driven, the other popular one is gear driven. I want to say this one's the belt one. Okay, so waggle the shifter, because you want to get going again. Clutch in.
Oh, put it in first gear?
Yeah, put it in first gear. And then clutch in, and clutch out, and then see, it's not starting. You can hear it, and you can listen to the car in this game. So when you get going. There you go, that was good.
I was already rolling though.
Well, that makes it easier, honestly, in real life. Like a rolling start is easier with a manual transmission. So hand off the shifter, you only want your hand on the shifter when you're shifting gears.
How do you downshift?
We'll save that for later.
It's beginner 2.0.
We got you going, and then...
See, I can handle this. It's just going straight.
Okay, so you're coming up to your turn here.
Shit. Yeah. So, can you
So make sure your foot, you don't need to...
What?
You're just putting along is all.
Yeah. Shocked by that. So, can I brake with my right foot, or is the etiquette to always clutch and brake with the left?
Clutch with the left foot, brake with the right.
Oh, that's like, okay. Got it. Ah!
Alright, Mr. Worf, can you stop it? Okay, so we're coming around to the end of the first lap.
I made a lap?
So, what gear are you in?
I don't know. Third?
Correct. You're in third. Okay, so if you want to try practice downshifting, what you're going to do, don't do it yet, is your foot's on the gas, it looks like you're cruising along.
Yeah.
You'll... Cat's trying to jump on me. you'll clutch, you'll take your foot, it's kind of the opposite. You'll take your foot off the gas, clutch in, put it into second gear, and then release the clutch and back on the gas. So you just have to remember where second gear was. Yeah, we lost the 4-speed back when the dog disconnected.
What does that mean?
Like in a normal steering wheel, like in real life, that you feel the road through the steering wheel.
Oh, okay.
The steering wheel can simulate that. So what do you think of the VR? Is it weird?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get kind of sick after playing this for a while, so here, try downshifting. So clutch in.
Clutch in.
Yeah, there you go. Hand off the shifter.
Just use a spray bottle and spray me. That sounds really bad though, but I do.
I can't hear anything from the game.
So I'm in second right now? I'm in second?
Hey, you guys.
G ran, I'm in second?
Yeah, so maybe try going into third because you're probably revving pretty high. Okay, so let's try and complete a lap. Looks like you're in the fourth now. So you're going pretty fast. Looks like you're going almost 80 miles an hour.
Alright, I'm feeling sick. I'm sit down a little bit.
So I bought the VR headset setup to do this, and what I ended up actually playing more is like Beat Saber and the shooting simulator and stuff. And the flying stuff is a lot of fun, and Truck Simulator, like the slower, it's weird because like the faster kind of racing simulators do get nauseating because you expect to get that like braking force like you do in real life, but you don't, and it's really disconcerting because it makes you kind of dizzy too.
Yeah.
So we'll have to try European Truck Simulator. It's a little bit slower. Yeah, very slow.
Is it less blurry?
Yeah, because the graphics are a lot simpler. So we have a big trailer. I've done videos on this channel. And actually European Truck Simulator would be a great way to teach you how to drive the trailer.
That'll be fun.
So, backing up a 52-foot trailer and everything. So, but that's it. Thanks for watching.